If you're a new YouTuber, you need two things: something to record with and something to edit on. Anything extra is fancy stuff. We don't even gotta get into the fancy stuff right now. You need to get started. You need to keep it simple. Something to record with, something to edit with. Let's start with the first one. Something to record with. Free, easy, simple, effective. You got an iPhone. You got an Android. Use it. The only thing you gotta buy with this, is a mic. Boom, a mic. This is the DJI mic. I'm not gonna lie to you, this mic is over $200. I would buy an affordable alternative to this if I was just getting started. Because you don't even know if you really wanna do this yet. You don't know. You think you wanna do it, or you kinda wanna do it. Don't buy nothing expensive. I know I got the DJI mic, I know it's fancy, but I did earn it though. You didn't earn it yet. But all you need is a mic. Look at this. It got two adapters, and look at this. If you got the iPhone 13 Pro Max like I do, boom. If you got the Pro that got USB-C, boom. You plug it in, easy work. Now check this out though, this is gonna blow your mind. If you're recording for TikTok videos, boom. If you're recording for YouTube videos, boom. Very easy, simple, straight to the point. Now what else do you need? Tripod, that's it. Don't buy nothing else. You buy a tripod and a mic and use your phone. That's it. Anything else, you being fancy. Let me say it one more time. Anything else, you being fancy. Now something to edit with. I'm gonna already assume you got a laptop or a computer or an iPad. I'm gonna assume you got one of those three things. If you have a computer or a laptop, DaVinci Resolve is free and you can do text to edit, which is gonna automatically cut all the dead space because in your first video, you're probably gonna mess up a lot. It's going to edit that stuff out for free. And I will show you exactly how to do it. All right, real easy, real simple way to cut your dead footage in DaVinci Resolve. Once you got it all loaded up, go ahead and right click it, scroll down, you wanna click transcribe, and now you just wait for this to transcribe. Boom. Now that it's done, go ahead and bring it to the front. Go ahead and select all, hit this top right corner, remove silent portions. Now it has removed all the silent portions, and to add it to your footage, all you're gonna press is a pen right here, and it's going to add it to the end of your footage. So now this is all the footage that got cut out. So you can see it's automatically all cut up, which is good, which is exactly what we want. And now we just bring it all to the front. So go ahead, come in, select all, and drag it all the way to the front. And that's it, you're done. Easy. What you got now? You got a tripod, you got your iPhone or your Android, and you got a mic. You got something to record with. That's one side. Boom, that's done. You got your tablet, you got your laptop, or your computer, DaVinci Resolve. You got a tablet, or you wanna edit on your phone, you got CapCut. That's it. Free. Everything was free but the tripod and the mic. If you're really serious about this, I would invest in the DJI mic. I can't say anything about the affordable alternatives because I didn't buy it. All I can say is this mic is really, really, really good. That's all I can say. The affordable alternatives are probably really good too, but I got DJI. I can't say nothing about that, okay? Mic, tripod, phone. Laptop, computer, DaVinci Resolve. iPhone, tablet, CapCut. If you edit on your tablet or you edit on your phone, it's gonna be harder. I have not edited on my phone yet. I've only edited on computers or laptops. You wanna stay efficient and free? DaVinci Resolve, easy. If you still have questions after this, I can't save you. This is literally the most simple and efficient guide you ever need. People's gonna tell you and have 13, 14, 15, 16-minute videos on something that's so simple. You need something to record with, and you need something to edit with. That is it. Guys, I'm not even gonna talk about this topic for too long because it's not really needed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.